we go, guys, into the deep, dark, slippery dungeons. We've got a huge seafood feast tonight, and this is gonna be our dinner tonight, guys. We're in Chengdu, Sichuan, and we're gonna get this chao xiang with Sichuan flavor. You can only get this here in Chengdu. Look at this, we got Dungeness Crab, beautiful, probably from Canada or northwestern USA, and then we've got a Vietnamese, look at that, that's a colorful, beautiful lobster. We're gonna get that fried in Sichuan spice. All right, check it out, guys, it's Trevor James. Today we are in Chengdu's largest seafood market, and today's video is an ultra special occasion. We are gonna be having a Sichuan seafood tour. Let's check it out.
Get ready for seafood like you've never seen, because today we're bringing you for a rare look at what Sichuan seafood is like, thousands of kilometers from the sea, and bringing you to two different style Sichuan seafood joints. First, exploring the local seafood market and frying up a lobster and crab in tons of Sichuan spice, and then going for a massive frog, prawn, and meat tower at a local Chengdu restaurant. Let's eat.
Look at this, guys. We are in Chengdu's largest seafood market. Oh, handle shrimp, lots of shrimp here. And we're gonna keep exploring. This video is so special to me. I've been looking forward to making this video for so long because we're in Sichuan. All the seafood is flown here from across Asia and China. We are so far from the ocean, but only here you can get seafood cooked with real Sichuan spice. And that's what we're gonna be doing tonight. Oh, look at these. Handa. Wow. Look at these, guys. We have xiaolongxia crayfish. This is gonna be cooked Sichuan style ma la de. So here it is, guys. We're gonna get some seafood tonight. Ni hao. Oh, 有很多海鲜. Wow, 很大的。可以买一个龙虾吗？对，最大的嘛。最大的。对。And hopefully get a good size one. Oh, they're energetic. Oh. Let's see how much that weighs. Oh, 很大. So this is the biggest lobster in the joint here. This is almost 1 kg. It's a little bit small, but that's because these are all flown in from Vietnam. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at these nice Dungeness crabs. Okay, and we just left that lobster and crab with the joint. We're gonna see what else we can get here. 你好，可以买4个最大的吗？4个，对。And we're also gonna get some nice hairy mitten crabs. 我要女的。女的。Okay. 好. So you can see here, these are the Dungeness, the hairy mitten crabs. You can actually see a bit of hair on their claw there. And I think we're gonna get that in Sichuan flavor. We might as well have a Sichuan flavor theme today. Get everything Chuan way. 谢谢你. Here we go, guys. 你好，好久不见。买了最大的。这个都可以炒四川味道吗？四川的。都可以炒四川。都对，都要川味。还有川味的吗？都要。这个也是炒的啊。这个可以吗？可以，这个也炒那天那个味道。对。然后你这个也是炒那天那个香辣的。香辣的。都是好。好的，谢谢你们。你也要去厨房是吧？可以看吗？可以。Okay. 没问题哦。太好了。And we're gonna go into the chufang, into the kitchen, and see how they chow it up. 好。谢谢你们。来吧，我带你进去。Okay, here we go, guys, into the deep, dark, slippery dungeons. Oh, where they chow, where they fry. How? It's slippery. 你好. We've got a huge seafood feast tonight. So we are deep in the kitchen now, guys, and our dajia are in the steamer, and there's tons of action going on with these woks. Look at that, everything is chao xiang. Oh, look at how red that is. Beautiful. Oh, very beautiful. Oh, and that looks like abalone. Look at the color of those shells. Chao xiang de ma, dui ma. Amazing.
And before we knew it, the lobster was in the wok with tons of dried chilies, broadbean paste, and peppercorns. So strong that it burns your throat to breathe. But that's how you know that it's gonna be good.
Oh, it's just bubbling. Wow. look at that lobster. 很香的。太香了。Oh, look at the color in there. 有葱，哦，还有辣椒，土豆吗？没有土豆。That is incredibly 香。Look at that bubbling lobster. And data. And our hairy mitten crabs are just finished now too. 这个是我们的吗？大闸蟹。大闸蟹。Oh, that is crazy. Sichuan style hairy mitten crabs. And this is our Dungeness crab here, guys. Look at the color of that. Wow. That hits the lungs. And there's potato, 有土豆. And 香的. Whoa, look at that mountain of Dungeness crab legs. Oh. That is intensely potent. And this is it here, guys. We just got the beautiful Vietnamese lobster. Oh, look at that color. It's full of Sichuan peppercorns, chilies, onions. Oh, beautiful. And then we got the hairy mitten crabs here. And these are both Sichuan spicy style. Here's the Dungeness crab, guys. It's got potato in there. It's just a mountain of Dungeness crab legs. Look at that. That hits the lungs. Here we go. Oh, 这个是大闸蟹吗？
对，这个是大闸蟹。
哦，很漂亮，很丰盛的。那么多海鲜，都是川味的。
对，都是川味嘛。
哇，
川味的。
谢谢你。
不谢。
慢慢用啊。好。Look at this, guys. Look at how red all of this is here. Incredible. We've got a beautiful, beautiful Vietnamese lobster cooked in tons of chilies and onions and garlic and peppercorn. Oh, look at the chunk of lobster flesh there. Oh, that is so potent. This whole table just hits your lungs and your nostrils with intense chili aroma. And that lobster flesh is just steaming hot with Sichuan flavor. Now look at this, guys. We've got a beautiful Dungeness crab. Nice Dungeness crab claws and legs. Oh, look at that here. Oh, wow. Those are gonna be full of juicy Dungeness crab flesh. And they also fried it up with some nice potatoes. And then over here, Da Jia Xie hairy mitten crabs. We got this Sichuan style. Oh, all of the color on this table is just so red and bright. First thing we're gonna get is a nice big bite of that lobster flesh. Mmm. Mmm. That is so spicy. Mmm. Wow. And the lobster flesh is sweet. Sweet from the onions. Oh, and the flesh itself is actually a little sweet as well. And it's muscular, tender, and juicy. Oh yeah, and look at this nice big chunk of flesh here. Let's pull that out. Oh, look at that. Look at that huge chunk of lobster tail flesh. Oh, look at that. That's one piece of lobster flesh there. Let's take a bite. Mmm. Oh, now look at this, guys. We got a big mountain of Dungeness crab claws and legs. Let's just rip that open. Oh, look at that claw. Oh, oh, look at that, guys. Huge Sichuan Dungeness claw. Oh, look at that. Just like a popsicle. And you can dip it. Let's dip it in that Sichuan chili oil. Chili and garlic, Sichuan peppercorn. Oh, look at that. We're just gonna get it saturated. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh, it's sweet too. That is so delicious, hot and steamy, sweet Dungeness crab flesh, spicy, aromatic, oniony. Mmm. Oh, look at the claw there. Oh, and you can just pull it out like a popsicle. And you can just dip that right into that juicy Sichuan oil with tons of chili. Mmm. And here we go, guys. Next up, we're gonna try the Da Jia Xie. Look at that. Oh, the hairy mitten crabs. Oh, and this right here, all that dark brown stuff is the huang, the eggs. And that's the delicacy. We had this in our Guangzhou seafood aquarium video, but today we've got it Sichuan weighed out. Oh, so much spice, and we're gonna dip it into the oil from the lobster there. Look at that. You can only get that in Sichuan. Mmm. Oh, 太好吃了。麻辣都麻辣的。Oh, wow. This is so delicious. And you can see there's also a ton of different seafood that you can order here. But we went right across the market to get the big stuff and have this beautiful meal.
慢着，
谢谢你们，
不用谢，
太好吃了。
下次又来。
好，下次见。好，谢谢你们。好，拜拜，拜拜。That was incredible. We're gonna keep exploring and going for more.
And next up, the next evening, we went for a huge seafood tower to finish off our Chengdu seafood adventure.
Awesome, guys. And next up, we are going for a giant seafood tower. Big seafood tower. Next item on the big seafood journey. And it's right up here, Lao Foye. We just came and asked permission, and we're gonna get into the kitchen and see how they make it. 你好，你们有什么狗可以看吗？
可以。
好 Here we go, guys. 我们应该吃哪一个？
您可以尝试一下我们这里有我们招牌。
哦，招牌的。
对。
That's the 特色。最大的嘛？
对，最大的。
这个有什么东西的？
上面的话有第一层是牛蛙，第二层是基围虾，第三层是鸡肉，然后上面是牛肉。因为我们过了季节了嘛，小龙虾就没有了。
哦，太好了。那我们可以进去看一下吗？
可以。
Okay, here we go, guys, and we are getting in to the kitchen, and we're gonna see how they make this massive seafood tower. Oh, and look at this, guys. We've got a big, 这个都是蛙嘛？都是蛙。We got a big crate of frog here. 这个要吃吗？好吃吗？ So we are gonna eat a big bunch of frogs here. Look at this, guys. Oh, we got.
Trevor, grab that. Grab it.
Oh. So we just opened the frogs. 很多啊，他们很调皮的，很调皮。Here we go, guys. This frog, quail egg, and we're gonna watch how they make it. Oh, look at that. It's just like a big wok full of bubbling frog. So it's a quick deep fry, and then we're gonna empty the oil out and fry it in chili, doubanjiang, 有豆瓣酱, 辣椒油, 还有很多香料. So all these spices here are gonna go in to that wok. Oh, and look at that, guys. That is pure chili paste. Oh, that is so aromatic. 很香的. Oh, and there goes the frog. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, and it smells so good. 太香了. And it's done. Oh, look at, oh, that burns. That burns. That just burns the nostrils as soon as you smell that. And that is going to be so delicious. Oh, Sichuan ma. Look at these 4 layers. This is just crazy, guys. Look at this massive tower. Now I'm sure. So the first layer is shrimp. Oh, and this is all done in mala style. So numbing and spicy and fragrant and xiang. And you can actually see they load up Sichuan peppercorns on there. That is gonna be so succulent, springy, juicy, spicy, and delicious. And then there's chicken. Oh, beautiful slices of chicken. They've got whole cloves of garlic and then wosun, which is Chinese celtis, asparagus lettuce. And that actually looks like it's got some fresh chili in there as well. So that is gonna be super spicy and aromatic. And then look at this, guys. This is the layer that I'm really looking forward to because it looks like it has tons of onions and beef. So that actually smells sweet and spicy and numbing. And this is the final layer down here. We got frog. And frog is really, to me, like upgraded, smooth chicken. It's ultra tender, and this is just overflowing. 这个太香了。这个蛙肉。这个是麻辣味吗？都是麻辣味吗？
麻辣。
哦，很香的。
蛙腿。
蛙腿。
大蛙腿。
这个蛙大概几岁了？
几岁啊？
几岁？几个月吗？
没有1岁。
没有1岁吗？ Wow, that just looks incredible. 谢谢你。嫩吗？口感嫩吗？嫩，很嫩。 很软的，口感很舒服的。谢谢你。That frog is incredible. Frog is one of the most tender meats you'll ever eat. And look at that. All of that oil is actually dripping down into the bowl here. Everything is overflowing. Next up, guys, let's try that beef. Just dip it into that. That looks fantastic. Mmm. Ooh. Oh, wow. 太好吃了，谢谢你。Wow. That beef is so delicious. Actually, it tastes just like a red braised beef, but actually maybe slightly sweet. It is so tender and it melts in your mouth. And there's a lot of onions in there. I think that's giving it a lot of sweetness. Mmm. 这个是什么东西的？
叫锅里捞。
锅里捞。哦，哇哦！哦，这个是甜点吗？
对，甜品。
太好了。That is beautiful. Little fruit bowl with mango, watermelon, dragon fruit. Mmm. Oh, that is so fresh, and it really goes perfectly with all the beef and the shrimp. Mmm. And the frog. Really nice. 太好吃了。
谢谢。
哦，那个蛙肉，那个蛙肉很嫩的。
很嫩啊。
对，谢谢你。
谢谢你的支持和鼓励啊，咱们会越做越好。
好，谢谢。下次见。
好，
All right. It was awesome, guys. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Those two joints are going to be on my blog post down below. If you're coming to Chengdu, you can check it out. Next up, we're going to Guangzhou. We're meeting my parents. We're taking them for a street food tour. And then we're going to Sri Lanka to eat a ton of delicious street food. Can't wait. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Bye. Bye.